Welcome to QAbot.com. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to use Switch Account Creator. The bot can help users to create both with accounts with customized username and password automatically. To buy the bot, you visit QAbot.com, then click on Software. You select Switch Creator. Next, select the package, then click on Add to Cart. Next, you click on your cart, then click on Deposit, then make payment for this tool. After making payment, you click on this icon at your username, then select License Key. You will see your license management table here. Then you click on Download button next to Switch Creator to see links to download the software and the user agent file. After download the software, you right-click on this Switch Account Creator Pro.rat. Then select Extract here. Then you will see the Switch Account Creator Pro folder. Open this folder, then double click on this file to install the software. This is the interface of Switch Accounts Creator Bot. Now we will instruct you to set it up. First, you click on General, then at License Key section. When you buy the software, we will provide you with the license already. Back to your license management table on QAbot.com. This is the license. Then you click on Copy button here, click OK. Then paste the copy license into license key session. Next, run session, save the number of accounts that you want to create. If you leave it at the default, the software will create account continuously until you stop it manually. If you put 1000 here, the software will automatically stop after creating 1000 accounts successfully. Next, text is number of accounts that you want the bot to create at the same time. If you put 3 here, the bot will open 3 tabs and create 3 Switch accounts simultaneously. The number of threads that you can run depends on your PC configuration. The higher configuration is, the more threads you can run at the same time. Next, Cookies folder section. You need to create a new folder named Cookies. Then copy this path to paste it into Cookies folder section. The software will save cookies or created Switch accounts in this cookies folder. Similarly, at data folder section, you create a new folder named data. Then copy the path to paste it into data folder section. Next, capture API key. To decode capture automatically, you need to create an account on capture.guru. We attach the link in the description box already. Then deposit your account, copy and paste the key into the capture API key section here. Next, user agent desktop section. When you buy the software, we provide you with links to download user agent file. Just download this file like this, and then click on this icon at user agent section. Double click on the downloaded user agent file. Next, proxies section. There are 3 choices for you to choose here. First, in case you select from data, you need to import proxy with email accounts. We will instruct you later at email account session. Next, when you select from file or URL, you need to set up the file proxy section here too. You can choose one of 2 options here. lines from URL or lines from file. If you select lines from URL, you need to paste the link address of proxy that you rent from saferproxy.com here. In case you select lines from file, you need to create a new text file to save proxy. For example, these are our proxy. The format here is ib:/bot. If your proxy needs proxy username and proxy password to work, you add them here in formats ib:/bot, proxy username, proxy password. Each proxy needs to be entered on one line. Then click to save. At File Proxy Session, you click on this icon, double click on the created text file of proxy. In case you don't have proxy or you do not want to use proxy, you can select No Add Proxy Sources here. The bot will use the IP connected to your PC to run. You can visit saferproxy.com to rent safe and cheap proxy. Next, pause millisecond session. This is the rest time after completing a thread. If you set 15,000 to 20,000 here, the bot will wait for 15 seconds to 20 seconds randomly after finishing your thread. Then you click on Account Info. First, with email account session, you need to import the email accounts that will be used to register to an account here. To click on this icon Data, then you will see the Database Manager dialog box. You can import email accounts in two ways. The first way is you import account manually. To do this, you click on this icon. Then select Add Group. You will type the group name here. For example, I will type Bread account. Then click OK. Next, you click on this created group. Click on this icon, select Add Item. Then you enter the email information here. First is email address. Next is email password. You can use any type of email here. In case you use Gmail accounts, you need to turn on 2FA, create app password, and import the app password instead of the real password of Gmail accounts here. In case you use the other types of email, you can use the email and password normally here. Then click OK. In case you select from data at proxy sources session, you need to enter the proxy information here. The IP into the proxy section part. And proxy user, proxy password in case needed. Then you click OK. Similarly, you can import multiple accounts here. The second way for you to import accounts is you create a new text file to save email accounts. Then you enter the corresponding information here. First is email address, comma, email password. You will separate these parameters by comma. In case you select from data at proxy sources session, you need to import proxy information here too. To do this, you will enter the email address, Karma email password. With the username and switch password, the software will automatically update it after creating Switch accounts. So you will enter 2 Karma instead of these 2 columns. I will enter 2 Karma here. Then the proxy is the IP, :port. In case your proxy needs proxy user and proxy password to work, you enter here, :proxy password. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. Each account needs to be entered on one line. Click to save, and on the database manager box, click on Convert, select Import CSV, click on this icon, double click on the created text file of email accounts. You can see the email accounts have been imported here. The default name of group is CSV. If you want to change it, click on this icon, then type the group name here. For example, I will enter direct account 2. Click OK. Then you close this dialog box. At email account section, you select the group of accounts that you want to run. Next, IMAP server and IMAP port. You need to enter the IMAP server and IMAP port of the type of email that you import to register with accounts. For example, I import Gmail accounts. Now I will search for IMAP server and IMAP port on Google. Then you can see the information here. This is the IMAP server, and this is the IMAP port of Gmail. Paste it into IMAP server here. Then the IMAP port here. Next, username session. The bot will use the username you set up in this session to create Switch account. You can leave this session as the default. The bot will create username or Switch account randomly. To see the default username, you click on this icon. Then click on H test. These are the default username that the bot will use randomly to create Switch accounts. To customize the username, you click on this icon too. Then you will enter the username that you want to use here. You can use the spin text format. Then you click on H test to see the username that you set up. Similarly, you will set up password, first name and last name session, or you can leave these sessions at the default. Finally, you click OK. You can click on Through Browser to see how the bot creates web accounts automatically. After creating an account successfully, you click on this icon later, and then you will see the username and password of Twitter accounts will be updated automatically here. The bot will fill them into register column 2. To export this result, you will click on Convert, select Export CSV or Export SLS. Then you click on this icon. Select the text that you want to save the file, then enter the file name here, then click Save, then click OK. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to use our Twitch account creator to create bunk Twitch accounts automatically. You can visit qandabot.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.